So let us see one example. So here I am importing the pandas as well as my Seaborn library, and I'm taking a data set called dm office sales.csv. So if I go through the dm office sales.csv, so it is having various columns with some different values. Okay, what is the sales? What is the salary they are receiving? What is their work experience, training level, level of education, division, everything I have given here. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, here you can able to see the column names and some sample values. In the information part, what are all the column we are having? What is the data type here? Okay, it is clearly mentioned. Then I'm creating a scatter plot for sales and salary. Okay, X is going to be my salary, Y is going to be my sales. Okay, based on the salary, the sales also getting increased. Okay, the more salary they are getting, the more sales also, they are doing it for higher value sales. Okay, that from the graph itself, we can able to clearly see. Then we are trying to use the matplotlib also. Okay, same thing I'm doing it with my matplotlib. So in the Seaborn, how it is getting the output, and for in the matplotlib, how we are getting the output. So here it is, the plot itself looking very big. Okay, by default. Okay, here we have given the figure size also. That is the also the another reason. Then Seaborn parameter U is there, right? What does U means? The range, like darker to lighter, how it is ranging, that I want to mention means I can give the U method. Here for the U, we are taking the division. Okay, so if you check the division column means various divisions are there, right? For each division, it will give different color code. Okay, that is what it represents. If I run this means, okay, for each division, it has given different color, and I don't need to mention any label and all separately. I don't need to do. Automatically, it will understand, and it is given heading. See division. Okay, blue color for printers, orange color for peripherals. Like that, it has automatically got the colors for my graph. Okay. Instead of division, if I am going for the work experience means, then accordingly it is giving different color. Okay, zero experience, 3 years, 6 years, 9 years, 12 years, 15 years. Like that, it has given some color code. If I want to use some palette, means color palette, if I want to use mean that also we can mention it here. So default, it will take some, uh, attractive colors only, but instead you want to go with some particular palette means that also you can mention here. So along with the data, we just given the palette because default it is coming in very light and dim color. If you feel like it is not very attractive means simply you can change the color, and now it is looking very attractive, and you can visually you can able to see the difference size. Okay, based on the size, if I want to perform, okay, all will have the same colors only, but depend upon the value, the thickness of the dot will be high. Okay, 0 means very less thickness. Slowly it will increase, and 15 years experience means the thickness of the dot will be very high. Okay, but this visually it will be little bit difficult for us to understand. Okay, which dot is very big and which dot is very small. Okay, means few things we can able to find here. Some dots are very small, slowly it is increasing. In the top and all, if you see means we are having some bigger dot. Okay, but that also one option is there. So that is what they are trying to mention it here. Then we are having yes value. So if you want to change the marker size to some other value means, then we can give this yes value. So since I have given the yes value is equal to 200, see all the dots are coming in very bigger size. Okay. If I'm changing the values means accordingly the size of my dots also will start reducing. I can even mention the line with alpha. So what this alpha will do is it will reduce the transparency of our dots. So you can able to see instead of very dark dots, it is looking like very light. We have given the transparency as 0.2, which is 20% only. We have given it like visible. If I increase it means then the transparency rate also will increase. So 0 to 1, any value we can give. 0.2, 0.5, any value we can give. Then again, styling part is there. Different styles you want to give. Okay, so here we have taken level of education. Based on the level of education, we are trying to plot it. Okay, some college means dot we have given. Associate degree means some star shape. High school means square. Bachelor degree means plus. Master degree means diamond. So like that, we have given different markers for different level of education. Okay. Again, we have just added few more color also. So style, we have given the level of education. You also we have given the level of education. Yes, we have made it as 100. So everything is coming in dark, bigger size. Okay, based on the style and hue value we have given. Finally, if we want to export the Seaborn output also same. Here we can use it with the plot plt dot say fig. For that, first you should have imported the matplotlib. Then only all this function will work. Plt dot figure, plt dot save fig, everything will work. Okay, so both are interrelated. So here we can save it in PNG format, JPG format. Okay, here we have saved it in JPG format. Like that, any format you want, you can give it here.